Alright, what you see here is a Quorum brand ceiling fan. I don't know what the model is though. But this is installed in the living room at the condo we're staying in Vail, Colorado. I think you can see the chain up there. Yeah, it's a Quorum chain. It's on a 3-speed remote control. Now, start it on high. Chain might be set to medium. Oh, it's wobbling a little. You can see the one up there that I've shown already running. Now for medium. Low. Might spin very slow and low. I don't think I turned it all the way up yet. Here's low. It looks like it spins slower and low. And it's wobbling. Yeah. But that is it. That is this Quorum band ceiling fan in the living room. Channel random ceiling fans. What do you think the model is? But hope you enjoyed it. Leave a comment, rate, subscribe.